So in subdivision B, we are having the quadrantal bearing system. So we have to convert this quadrantal bearing in terms of whole circle bearing. So first I will write the quadrantal bearing system diagram, okay, that is north, south, east and west, okay. So the first reading is 12 degree 24 minutes east. So 12 degree 24 minutes east, okay. Second reading is south 31 degree 36 minutes east. South 31 degree 36 minutes east. Third reading is south 68 degree 6 minutes west. And fourth reading is north 5 degree 42 minutes west. Okay, now we have to go for, that is, this is our first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, now I will draw the whole circle bearing system diagram. Okay, so north can be referred as 0 degree, east referred as 90 degree and south referred as 180 degree and west referred as 270 degree and again north referred as 360 degree. So whatever the first quadrant reading, that lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Whatever the second quadrant degree, that starts from north and lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay, and third value, it starts from north and lies between 180 to 270 degree. Okay, and fourth quadrant reading, that is lies between 270 to 360 degree and the base point can be taken from north. Okay, so that our first reading, so 12 degree 24 minutes, so it won't change, so we can directly taken as 12 degree 24 minutes. Okay, now since it is starts from north itself. Second reading, south 31 degree 36 minutes. So they have given from here to here, south 31 degree 36 minutes. Okay, but we need the answer from the reference of north. So whatever the given value, you can deduct it from 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree minus 31 degree 36 minutes, so that we are getting 148 degree. Okay, so our second answer is 148 degree 24 minutes. And the third value, so it is lies in third quadrant. Okay, now the value is south 68 degree 6 minutes. Okay, so the value is between 180 degree to 270 degree, so that we have to add 180 degree along with that 68 degree 6 minutes, so that we are getting the value as 248 degree 6 minutes as a whole circle bearing. Okay, now from the north. Then fourth one, so north 5 degree 42 minutes west. So they have given like this, but we are in need of this value. Okay, so 360 degree minus, so 360 degree minus, if I am going to give this value, then automatically I can get the balance. So 360 degree minus 5 degree 42 minutes gives the answer of 354 degree 18 minutes. So this is how we have to convert our quadrantal bearing system into whole circle bearing system. Next problem. So the second problem, the given data is the following are observed 4 bearings of the lines. Okay, some line they have given A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, and okay, up to D, E they have given in terms of whole circle bearing. Okay, and after that P, Q, Q, R, R, S and S, T they have given in our quadrantal bearing system. Okay, now what they are asking, find their back bearings. Okay, so from the given data we have to calculate the back bearing. So we all know that one thing, that is the 4 bearing difference back bearing is equal to 180 degree. That is the formula we are going to use it. 4 bearing difference back bearing equal to 180 degree if there is no any local attraction. Okay, by using this we are going to get the formula answer. Okay, so now they have given the 4 bearing, so we are in need of back bearings, correct? So we need to get back bearing, so we can take back bearing at right side. Okay, now sorry, left side. So here one thing we have to remember, 4 bearing difference back bearing I said, so the difference we can denote it as either plus or minus. Okay, equal to 180 degree. So now 4 bearing they have given, we are in need of back bearing, so back bearing equal to, okay, 4 bearing plus or minus 180 degree. Okay, so when we can use plus and when we have to use minus, that is the question right now. Okay, so first we have to use plus sign when if our 4 bearing value is less than 180 degree for the particular line. Okay, now then we have to use addition symbol. Okay, now if the 4 bearing value is greater than 180 degree, okay, now at that time we have to deduct, that is we have to use minus symbol. Have you understood? So our first thing, okay, now for the line AB, so the line AB they have given that 12 degree 24 minutes. Okay, so this is A, this is point B. Okay, now I need this back bearing. This is my 4 bearing of the line, they have given us 12 degree 24 minutes. Now I am in need of back bearing equal to how much? Okay, now I can go with this formula. So back bearing, so back bearing of line AB, okay, line AB, which is equal to same 4 bearing. So now they have given the 4 bearing value is 12 degree 24 minutes. So now I have to remember that condition. Okay, now this is less than 180 degree, this 12 degree 24 minutes. So now I have to use addition symbol, plus 180 degree, so that my answer becomes 192 degree 24 minutes. 192 degree 24 minutes. Okay, so this is our value of back bearing. Similar way we have to go for another, that is another similar lines. So for line BC, So the forebearing value is 119 degree 24 minutes. So we know that this is also less than 180 degree, so we have to add 180 degree, so that our answer becomes 180 degree plus 119 degree 24 minutes gives 299 degree 24 minutes. So next, for the line CD. So for the line CD, this is 266 degree 30 minutes. So now this value is more than 180 degree, that's why we have to use minus symbol. So minus 180 degree for getting the back bearing. So 266 degree 30 minutes minus 180 degree gives the answer of 86 degree 30 minutes. And next, for the line D, so they have given the value of 354 degree 18 minutes minus, so this is also more than 180, so I have to use minus symbol. So minus 180 degree, from that I am getting 174 degree 18 minutes. Okay. So this is our answer. So now second thing, that is they have given PQ, QR, RS and ST. So all the readings whatever they have given now, that is in the form of reduced bearing system. Okay. Now this conversation, this one is very easy to get the reading. Okay. Now, so now I will tell the example. So north, south, east and west. Okay. So they have the given the reading is 18 degree east. Okay. So 18 degree east. So here it is north, south, east and west. Okay. So this deviation is also same, whatever they have given the reading, no, same reading we can get it. Okay. Now 18 degree, but the quadrant, instead of first quadrant, it is lies in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, instead of north we can have south, instead of east we can have west. So only thing, you won't change our direction. Okay. Now the balance, the value does not change it here. Okay. So that our back bearing becomes, so back bearing equal to, for the first reading, it is for line PQ is equal to back bearing of line PQ equal to, just change the direction, instead of north I am going to use south. Okay. South 18 degree, instead of east I am going to give west. Then second, for the line QR, so instead of south S I am going to use N. So north 12 degree 24 minutes, instead of east I am going to give west. Okay. Similarly for the line RS, instead of S I am going to give north. So N 59 degree 18 minutes, instead of W I am going to give east. And last one, RS and ST. So ST they have given N 86 degree 12 minutes west. So that I have to give south 86. So south 86 degree 12 minutes, instead of W I am going to keep east. So this is your answer. So this is the way we have to convert. Okay, this is the we have to get if they have given 4 bearing. Okay now. So I think you make. So our next problem. Okay now. So they have given that the following bearings were observed with a compass. Okay, calculate the interior angle. Okay, they have given that the line AB, so 60 degree 30 minutes, AB 60 degree 30 minutes, BC 122 degree, CD 46 degree, DE 205 degree 30 minutes, EA 300 degree. Okay now, so they have given. So here you need to remember one thing, the starting point and the ending point will be the same. Okay now, AA, so that whatever the traverse they have given, okay now, that is a closed traverse. Okay, so first we have to make one diagram for this. So like this, so they have given, first we have to take one origin, from that origin what is the angle. So first our for the line AB is 60 degree 30 minutes, so 60 degree 30 minutes angle. Then next for the line BC is 122 degree, so this is lies in second quadrant, so likewise. And the for the line CD is 46 degree, so this is in first quadrant, so the diagram will be like this. And for the line DE 205 degree 30 minutes, this is in third quadrant, so our line will be like this. Then last EA 300 degree, this is lies in fourth quadrant, so it should get meet at point A. Okay, so likewise we have drawn the diagram. So from the diagram, first they have asked, what they have asked, find the interior angle. Okay now, so what is the interior angle formula? Okay, first we can, so interior angle is nothing but included angle. Okay, so if the traverse is running in clockwise direction, then our included angle should be equal to interior angle. Okay, so that's what they have given, included angle. Okay, here the traverse is running in clockwise direction. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, A, so this is in clockwise direction, so we have to calculate the interior angle. So now, okay, included angle, what is the formula for included angle? That is back bearing of previous line minus back bearing of previous line minus fore bearing of next line. This is the formula we are going to use, fore bearing of next line. So they have given fore bearing, okay, for all the cases, but what is the back bearing, that we have to find it first. Okay now, so we all know that how to calculate the back bearing. So back bearing of line, which is equal to fore bearing plus or minus 180 degree is the formula. So when we are going to use plus sign, if the fore bearing is less than 180 degree, we have to use plus sign. If the fore bearing is more than 180 degree, at the time we have to use minus sign. So by using that, we have to calculate the back bearing first. So for the line AB, so back bearing of line AB, so this is less than 180 degree, so that 60 degree 30 minutes plus 180, it will give 240 degree 30 minutes, 240 degree 30 minutes. That we have to write it in the diagram. So for the line AB, the back bearing is from here to here. So 240 degree, (30 minutes). Okay. Next, for the line BC, so forebearing for the line BC is 122 degree. So we have to add 180 degree in this reading, so that we are getting 302 degree, the value 302 degree, so that we can write it in the figure. So next, for the line CD, so CD is 46 degree, so it is less than 180 degree, so we have to add 180 degree. So by adding 180 degree, we are getting 226 degree as back bearing, so that we can mention it in the figure, 226 degree. So 226 degree. So next, for the line DE, so the value is 205 degree, 30 minutes. This is more than 180 degree, so we have to deduct 180 degree from this value, so that we are getting the value as 25 degree, 30 minutes. So we can write it here, 25 degree, 25 degree, 30 minutes. Okay, now then last one, for the line EA, the forebearing is 300 degree, so this is also more than 180 degree. We have to deduct 180 degree from this, so 300 degree minus 180 degree, we are getting 120 degree, 120 degree as back bearing for the line, so that we can mention here 120 degree. So now we have to calculate the included angle or interior angle. Okay, so interior angle, what is the formula? Back bearing of previous line. For example, if I am going to take included angle at point A, okay, included at point A is equal to, the formula becomes back bearing of previous line. So previous line is nothing but line EA, back bearing of EA minus forebearing of AB, next line. Okay, forebearing of next line, that is AB, forebearing of AB. So now the reading becomes, okay, 120 degree. So here included angle is nothing but this is our interior angle or included angle. So 120 degree minus 60 degree, 30 minutes. So that we are getting the included angle value as 59 degree, 30 minutes. Okay, next, included angle at point B, so that back bearing of line BA minus forebearing of line BC. So 240 degree, 30 minutes minus 122 degree. So this is our interior angle. So the value is 118 degree 30 minutes. 118 degree 30 minutes. So next, included angle at point C. So back bearing of line BC minus forebearing of line CD. So back bearing of line CB is nothing but 302 degree, and forebearing for the line CD is 46 degree. So that we are getting the value of 256 degree. 256 degrees 0 minutes. Next, included angle at point D. So forebearing, back bearing of line BC, that is nothing but 205 degree 30 minutes, minus forebearing of next line, sorry, back bearing of previous line is 226 degree, 226 degree minus forebearing of next line, that is 205 degree 30 minutes. So that I am getting the value as 20 degree 30 minutes. And included angle E, that is for final point. So here the back bearing of previous line is 25 degree 30 minutes, okay, and the forebearing of next line is 300 degree. So if I am going to deduct it, I am able to get the exterior angle. So if I am going to deduct this angle from this angle, so I can get only the exterior angle, okay. So if I need interior angle, whatever the value I am getting now, that I have to deduct it from 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 300 degree minus 25 degree 30 minutes. Okay. So what is the value? So it coming as 85 degree 30 minutes. (85 degree 30 minutes). Okay, now we have to do the check whether whatever the calculation we have done, that is correct or not, that we have to check it. For the check, what it means, sum of included angle, that means sum of all included angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E should be equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. So now angle A, what is the, so we can add these angles, 59 degree 30 minutes plus 118 degree 30 minutes plus 256 degree plus 20 degree 30 minutes plus 85 degree 30 minutes. So that I am getting the value of left side becomes 540 degree. Okay, now at right side 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Here n equal to, n is nothing but the number of station points. So here A, B, C, D, E, there are 5 station points. So 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90 degree. So that I can get the value of 540 degree. So whatever the reading which they have given or we can taken, that is correct. Okay, same thing if the traverse is running in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, at that time we have to calculate the included angle, okay, as exterior angle. So our, instead of this blue line, we have to calculate the green line. Okay, so this is our exterior angle. Okay, so that the check becomes sum of included angle should be equal to 2n plus 4 into 90 degree. Okay, so this is the check we have to do.